Hello everyone and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. As you know, we are working on the new series, Docker series. And as the first session of the Docker series, we had learned a few basics about the Docker and also we have learned how to install the Docker desktop and we have installed it in the Windows machine. In this video, we will learn a few basic commands of the Docker. Out of them is, the first one is docker-version. We had already tested it, but still I will show one more time. If you can, if you just want to know which version of the Docker is installed in your machine, and also if it is properly installed or not, you just have to just do docker hyphen version. It will give us the version name and number and build ID. Then there is one more command, docker login. And why we need to log into the Docker, we will understand first. See, Docker works with a couple of things called images and containers. We will learn each and everything about these images and containers in the upcoming videos. For now, if you just want to use the Docker, you need repositories, and there is a place called Docker Hub where you can sign in, and you have to sign in. ID, please register one, and then here we have Docker Hub. It is a place where we can create repositories and pull and push images. So we will learn more about the repositories, images, pull and push everything in the upcoming videos. In this video particularly, I just wanted to focus on the Docker login and Docker logout as it is very basic thing. So as we have created the account now, we have logged in to the Docker Hub in the browser. Similarly, we can log in to the Docker through command prompt as well with the Docker login command. Just you have to give the -u, whichever account you have created, the username you have to give. Then it will ask for the password. Also, there is a way to generate the token as well. You can learn it later. Now I have logged in. Now, then there is a logout command also for logging out of the session. Now, what is the difference it will make if I try to pull and push without logging? See, in this Docker Hub, you can have as many as you can find as many as repositories from the web. And for instance, MySQL, if you want to install MySQL in image and container in your machine, just search for the MySQL. You will find the MySQL image, which you can just copy and pull it in your machine. But if you don't want this public image, but you just want something private that you have created for yourself, and so for me, it is like this. In that case, you cannot depend on the public repositories. So you have to log in to access it. For instance, let me show you the images I have. With this image, Docker image, ls command, I have 3 images. So if I try to push one of them to my repository, let me copy the command from here. I had already tried it once. Let me show you. For instance, let me copy this command and run it in the new command prompt. If I run it like this, let us see if it accepts or not. See, as you can see, it got failed. It says insufficient scope authorization failed. So what I have to do is first I have to log in again, give the password. Now if I push again, it should work. But I have already added it. I had already pushed it. So let us check whether it got pushed again or not in the Docker repository. So here is the repository. As you can see, I had created this image already, so it didn't got pushed again. Anyway, but the authorization got succeeded. If I delete this one, if I delete this and refresh this, let me delete this. Something is wrong. Let me see. I think it got deleted now. So as you can see here, this got deleted. Now let me push again and refresh again. As you can see, the last push less than a minute ago. Now this got pushed. So we will address all these pulling and pushing and everything related to the images in the upcoming videos. In this video, I just wanted to show you about the login, whether it will, how it will works. So now we had covered Docker version and let me give some better color. And also we had covered Docker login and we have covered Docker logout. Now we have left with one more Docker network. So there will be a cluster of networks whenever you install Docker and run it. So we can list them with the help of Docker network ls command. We will learn more about the networks in the upcoming videos. So there are three networks. We will learn in the upcoming videos what is the use and how to communicate in between the networks and everything, routing and all. So this is a second video of the series. Hope you learned the basic four commands. And then in the upcoming videos, we will learn there are few more commands with respect to image and with respect to container. Everything we will learn in the upcoming videos. Please stay tuned to learn more about this Docker in the Docker series. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.